Slight immersion, hindi naman immersion, but we went to the National Center for Mental Health, and then we spoke to the director, and then director ng mental, yung center, and then he explained to us yung from onset talaga until management, and then we visited wards, so yung mga doon ko nakuha yung mga mannerisms, yung ganon, nuances, kasi from yung slightly lang until talagang yung full blown na na yun, hindi na talaga bumako. So, yun. And then I also watch videos of yung caregiver and the doctor and the patient. Also videos sa YouTube of actual schizophrenia patients.
You've said before naman na that you had episodes of depression and you were seeing a shrink before and parang in the process ng paggagawa ng movie, meron ka pa bang na-discover sa sarili mo paano doing?
That's totally different schizophrenia and but yun lang, it's just to raise the awareness of yung mental disease, because it's like any other disease. So, schizophrenia, marami tayo na baliw lang yan, may ganon, may narinig yan, may nakikita yung ganon. But actually, it's manageable. You can actually manage it, and then with the right support group, and your support of family, friends, and treatment, medical treatment.
For those lang na they're suspecting na a family member or a relative, a close friend is undergoing the same problem. Ano yung ma-advise mo sa someone na nakita na yung
Seek help from a doctor. Seek help from a medical psychiatrist. Kung talagang yun ang suspicion nila. Diba? Kasi ang dami dito, albularyo. It's there naman all the stigma, all the myths, andun lahat naman So, that's why this movie, complete na yan Complete yung, kumbaga, information. It's there already, but it's just made in film.
How close is it? How close are you sa movie compared sa mga dati mo nang nagawa?
Ay, ang layo nito. Malayo ito. And, kasi this is made 5 days lang. And it
oh my God, 5 days
lang siya. But it helped that we did it 5 days and consecutive days because you're just in character for that short period of time. I could not have done it, kunyari, if there was a lull in between, because it's hard to get back into character, especially when
you can easily win an award here. Are you expecting na?
No, I'm not expecting. I just like the challenge. I loved the challenge, and yun lang.
Ano na lang yung pinaka-reward na makukuha mo dun sa movie?
The people actually get it. Diba? It's yun nga, as I said, it's a small film. Maliit lang siya Wala masyadong, it's not a big production. But it has a big message. Sana people get it.
It's like an advocacy.
Yes, it is an advocacy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations.